I know your face so well, but I can tell that it's changing. I know when you lie there still that you've just been resting. We get along so well, but I see that we're changing. We've got a long way down till we're 60 years old. We've got a long way.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today's video is a quickie. There's going to be a couple of those coming up. Just haven't been able to get out for full days of fishing. Like this one, we fished for 3 hours or so. Went to a tailwater fishery that's pretty close to home. Just had some time in the morning, so wanted to get out. Went out with a buddy of mine. It's a very interesting fishery. There's not many wild fish. They do get in there from some tributaries, but as far as I know, they're not reproducing in this creek, but some may tell you otherwise. But my buddy did catch a wild brown, so I know they're around. But I got a couple hatchery fish. It is a tailwater, so it's a year-round fishery, which is really nice. It's going to be really nice this winter just to have some good temp waters in January, February. But for this little trip, I ended up catching 3 fish on 3 different flies. Used a egg imitation, Rainbow Warrior, my go-to nymph, and my pink streamer that I used in my last video. So like I said, it was quick, didn't get too much action, but you know, it's something, and I really wanted to put some stuff out here still, even though I'm not fishing full days like I'd like to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll take you into the video. Enjoy. Stick got me. Thought I was about to hit my first fish. Trav already has a wild fish in the bag. We've been here for 15 minutes. Ooh, had another one swipe it. Got one. Yep. Nice. And that little pink streamer. Brown. Looks stock. There he is. After missing like 4 fish in this run, finally got one. There he is. Stock brownie. There we go. It's no, it's. I thought it was a little wild brown, but I think it's just a small stock fish.
Is it the warrior?
Yeah. About time. Well, stubby one, stockfish. Man,
awesomely shaped rock right here.
a lot of these rock ridges are tough. There's one. Not a bad one. Took the egg.
Did he?
Yeah, rainbow. It's fired up. Solid like 14 or 15.
Yeah, that's good.
There is first fish on the egg. Oh, I was not paying attention. I was trying to step up onto this rock and I just lost a brown. So that's good. Doing big things here. We're running out of time. Got like maybe 20 minutes. Oh, I just got bit again, I think. I don't know, there's a lot of ridges in here too, and you bump a lot. So it's tough to tell, but anyways, got about 20 minutes. I'm just trying to get one more fish. That would be ideal.